We'll be back
À tous
shortly
les vidéos,
afterward.
attention pour le décompte final. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, top. Allumage Vulcain, décollage.
Well, much better visibility than we dared hope for just maybe even an hour ago. It's been raining and overcast most of the day, but some fine shots at liftoff of Ariane roaring off the pad into the gray, trailing the gold plumes as she makes her way up into the sky over French Guiana. She took off right on time at 17:38 local time. These fine shots are always very impressive. 775 tons at liftoff as Ariane leaves the ground. Most of that is fuel, as you will see. She'll start to shed that. The DDO is saying that everything is fine on board. Right now, she's burning 5 tons of fuel per second, 2.5 tons in each booster burning. That represents the major part of the boost. It's 90% of the acceleration and the power at liftoff. The core stage burning another 300 kilos per second. Roughly add up that altogether, it's roughly the equivalent to a dozen Airbuses. Ariane following now the program in the onboard computer, which has been installed, giving all the orders, including stage separations, which we'll begin to see just very shortly. We're in the first of 4 flight phases. The first 3 are powered. The last is not. We'll describe each in turn, so you can follow Ariane as she heads across the Atlantic, where she'll separate the 2 passengers over Africa. Right now, the first phase, the single core stage engine, it's called Vulcan, and the 2 boosters are burning. The boosters will burn for just over 2 minutes each, and in a few seconds you should hear the DDO call out their separation, and that comes right on time at about 68 kilometers up. This is what it looks like. There's another booster out of camera range, but the 2 of them separated, they've done their job. They fall 500 kilometers away from shore,